الله وبركاته نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. Respected chairman, sisters, dear audience, my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a mercy for all creation. I am very excited to get the chance to share a few words about Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his great message to the world. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the best role model for all humankind. He is a prophet sent from Allah to all humankind. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the last messenger of Allah. He was born in Makkah in the year of 570. His father Abdullah died before he was born, and his mother also died when he was only 6 years old. Yes, he was an orphan. He belonged to a poor but respectable family of the Quraysh tribe. During that period, Arabians were fighting each other for land, Lati and liquor within 23 years. He put the regulation among the Arabians and became the purified person. It was a real revolution in the world. In the world, Bernard Shaw, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a wonderful figure in the world, and he must be called the savior of humanity. Yes, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one of the most influential people humanity has ever witnessed. His work and death greatly affected human thought and the history. Yes, friends, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is up to know and perfect example of honesty, fairness, mercifulness, compassion, faith, courage, and thoughtful human being among his outstanding virtues and characteristics. He was an extraordinary husband, perfect father, unique grandfather. He was also a great statesman, judge, and spiritual leader. In simple, he was a multi-talented personality that no one can duplicate. Michael